Philip Lowe is trying to steer Australia through troubled waters towards the safety of his inflation target.
But the target provides an anchor. Hopefully we come back to that.
The Reserve Bank surprised some by hitting pause on rate hikes. Mr Lowe says the cost of living and higher interest rates are biting.
Is one reason why we thought it was appropriate to hold steady this month and just wait a bit, take the pulse of the economy and reassess.
The owner of this cleaning business is already feeling squeezed. As the cost of repaying her home and business loan goes up, her clients have dropped off.
This happens when people have to tighten their belts. Spending is down, so they cut things that are not essential to them. So we have definitely noticed that with our private clients, yes.
The RBA governor said Australia has seen a faster increase in average mortgage rates than other countries, while the typical homeowner on a variable rate is more than a year ahead on their repayments. Almost a third are less than 3 months ahead. And 880,000 households are rolling off fixed-rate loans this year and will face significantly higher repayments. Philip Lowe says rate rises aren't just hitting borrowers. The shortage of houses will keep pushing rents up as more migrants enter the country.
So rental stress is at least as big an issue at the moment as mortgage stress.
Joseph Nuttall is feeling that stress as a renter and a landlord.
Rather than celebrate too soon, I think we just need to be calm and see what happens.
He's on the fence about what the RBA should do next month.
As the interest rates go up, obviously it'll make it more expensive to service the mortgage, but I think it will make it just a little bit easier for first-time buyers in particular.
Philip Lowe has long admitted that it will be challenging to avoid a recession. But it may be that immigration is simply creating the illusion the economy is still growing.
So what's happening there is essentially the economy is slowing down on a per person basis, even though overall, because we have strong population growth, the numbers look like they're growing.
Does that mean we are looking at that technical thing, a per capita recession?
I don't like using that language, but we're expecting economic growth this year about 1.5%. Population growth probably close to 2%.
The RBA governor is watching global events closely and warns against large increases in profits or wages.
If we need to raise rates again to get inflation back to 2 to 3%, then we'll do it. If we were to hold next month, that doesn't mean that we're going to hold kind of right through the course of the year. Each month we look at the data we have before us, look at progress on inflation. Are we going to get it back to target within a reasonable time? So that's the framework we use.
The alternative, he says, is higher inflation, higher interest rates and more unemployment.